Let's start by shaping and cleaning the nails, and then apply a layer of our pink polish. For the design of our nails, we're going to use glitter. To glue them, we're going to use a coat of polish. Then, with the help of our number 4 brush, put the glitter on the nail and softly press it. Clean the excess. And repeat the same step for the next nails. To finish, add a layer of Topcoat. Ta-da! Nails done! Let's do the 5th and the last one. After cleaning and shaping her nails, I add a layer of polish. Add a second layer of polish and the glitter. With the back of our number 4 brush, I took a drop of pink polish and add the bowl onto the nail. Then press softly. And repeat with the next nails. At the end, we seal with a layer of Topcoat. Ta-da! Check out the first video for more details, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more.